So hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge. Question number I really forgot. I think it's 14. It should be 14. Well, question is reverse the word in a string. Well, this is I'm very speculative about this question, but it is kind of an easy question. A questions where you know that you know the answer, but it's all depends ki how much better you can find the solution, because there can be n number of ways of finding of doing these questions, right? Now you just need to find, just reverse the words, not the string whole. You just need to reverse the words, and in between of words there should be a one space. Okay, now why I'm saying that it can be many solution possible, because you can use regex over here, which I actually used here, split function in Java, or you can actually do just normal string traversal from back to front, taking the string. Well, no problem. So this is a small question, a small code for the solution. I've already submitted the solution today only. Well, I I don't say I'm happy with the solution, but I'm okay, because majority of its friends having the same time complexity. But yeah, this is the solution, and the approach which I used is normal. I split it the string using this space and plus, and just traverse the array I got in the reverse order. Use the string builder function in Java to add concatenate all the strings within a space at the end and removing the space. Now the thing is why I'm doing this line. This is actually very important, because what's happening sometimes is the string is ending with two spaces, and because of this split function, it's resulting in uh, one extra space at the end. So just checking, okay, if there's still an extra space, so just remove that space also, and that's all. This is the solution. So thank you for seeing this video. I will post more videos and more questions